You've been washing pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains from them without using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. They'll be like new after this video. And most importantly, without using a washing machine. Today I'll show you my secret for cleaning them. You just need a few ingredients to create the mixture. First, get an empty jug. Pour 300 milliliters of water into it. Our first mysterious ingredient is baking powder. Add a tablespoon to the jug. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. It has disinfecting and whitening properties. Now add 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It will enhance the effects of the previous ingredients and eliminate bacteria and dust mites. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer and pour our mixture through a funnel. Now all you have to do is spray the pillow thoroughly. This way, you'll remove stains without risking damaging the pillow in the washing machine. Don't skip any spots. Then wait for about 30 minutes. After this time, you'll see the first results. Then soak the pillow in a bowl or bucket for an hour. The effect will be even better. The pillow will be clean. Without a sewing machine or cutting the fabric, I resized a pillowcase. I use this trick whenever I have guests at home. I turn the pillowcase inside out and lay it flat. Then, I place the pillow against the shorter edge and fold the excess fabric over it. The pillowcase opening should face upwards. I slide my hand inside the opening and grab one corner of the pillow, pulling the case over it. I repeat this for the other side. Next, I turn the pillow right side out. Again, I slide my hand into the case and grab the protruding corner of the pillow, pulling it through. I do the same with the other corner and it's done. It's important to fold the fabric neatly to ensure a tidy appearance. This way, the pillowcase looks like it's perfectly sized for the pillow. Everything holds securely and looks great. The case doesn't slip off during sleep. A quick and easy trick. You have to try it. Put a trash bag inside your pillowcase and you won't regret it. Next time you change your bedding, try this trick. I've been using it regularly and it works wonders. All you need is a clean, large trash bag, big enough to fit your pillow. First, check the size by placing the bag over the pillow. Once you're sure it fits, put the pillow inside the bag. Make sure the entire pillow is covered. Take a vacuum cleaner and insert the hose into the bag like I did. Turn on the vacuum and hold the bag tightly. In seconds, the air will be sucked out and the pillow will shrink. Remove the vacuum hose and keep the bag sealed. Now your pillow is perfectly compressed. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Get your pillowcase ready and start sliding the bag with the pillow inside. Place the bag from the sealed end into the pillowcase. Once the pillow is fully inside, pull the bag out, leaving the pillow in the case. This trick makes it easy to fit even a large pillow into a small pillowcase without any stress or frustration. Believe me, your duvet will fit in the washing machine. You're probably wondering how to wash a large duvet in a washing machine. The process isn't difficult at all. And most importantly, duvets can be machine washed. Let me show you how. Start by laying your duvet flat on the floor, fold it in half along its longer sides, then fold each side toward the center, just like I'm doing. Finally, starting from one end, fold it like an accordion. This method will ensure your duvet fits easily in the washing machine. It's recommended to wash duvets every 6 months, while allergy sufferers should do so every 3 months. Put one aluminum foil ball under your pillow before bed. It takes 1 minute, and the difference is bigger than you think. Grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It absorbs odors and helps freshen the air. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt soaks up moisture and helps the mixture hold its shape. Now take a lime and use the zest. Grate it finely. It has a strong, fresh scent and makes the whole space feel cleaner. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste. It gives an intense, minty freshness, and its thick texture helps everything bind together and keeps the scent lasting longer. Then add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender calms you down, helps you relax, and makes it easier to fall asleep. Mix everything well until it turns into one firm mass. Shape it into one large ball. Wrap it tightly in aluminum foil so it keeps its shape. Poke a few small holes in the foil so the scent releases evenly. Place it under your pillow and leave it overnight. This little ball can make your sleep feel deeper and better. The lavender aroma helps you unwind and drift off more easily. You can also use the same ball in the toilet. Drop one into the tank. With every flush, it will slowly release a fresh scent and keep the water smelling clean for a long time. I put garlic under my husband's pillow. He had no idea about it. However, when he woke up in the morning, he was surprised because he thought his problem had magically disappeared. I confessed to him that I used my grandmother's method. Plain garlic turned out to be the solution to his annoying problem. Although most people are already familiar with the amazing properties of this medicinal plant, on my channel, you can find recipes for syrups based on it. It turns out that it also has a brilliant application in the bedroom. You can use it in 2 ways. In the first method, peel a clove of garlic. Then, insert several cloves into it. Its oil soothes headaches, stimulates the immune system, and alleviates symptoms of respiratory diseases. Place such prepared garlic under the bed or on the coffee table. Leave it there overnight. The second method is faster. Just take a few cloves of garlic in their skins. Then, gently crush it so that it cracks. This will release its aroma, but it won't soil the bed linen. Place these cloves under the pillow and go to sleep. It turns out that this is a natural remedy for insomnia. Garlic produces allicin. It has a calming effect and helps with falling asleep. Even people who snore at night can benefit from this method. Garlic under the pillow can help unclog blocked nasal passages and facilitate breathing. My husband stopped snoring on the first night. We will be testing more to see if this method works every time. What do you think about this method? Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes, and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours. Then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bed bugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen.